A lightning strike has killed a 22-year-old surfer hoping to make the Summer Olympics. Katherine Diaz was struck while training Friday in El Tunco Beach in El Salvador. Diaz, who started surfing when she was 9, was one of El Salvador's top surfers. She was expected to compete in May in the International Surfing Association's World Surf Games. That event is a qualifier for the Tokyo Olympics, where surfing will make its debut appearance. Surfers in El Salvador plan a paddle out on Tuesday in her honor.